Welcome to 10 for 10 Beginners Yoga. 10 minutes for 10 days. This is day 3. The theme is direction. Yoga has transformed my life in so many beautiful ways. It is a blessing for me to share this soul-transforming practice, to uplift you, to inspire you, to break ground, and help you feel free. Let's get flowing. In life, there's arrows pointing out in a multitude of directions. There are arrows pointing out to the delicious sweets in the kitchen. Arrows that point out to 3 hours of binge watching on Netflix. There's arrows pointing to the direction bringing you here, right now on your yoga mat, in your own space. We each have a choice in life to pick up those arrows and follow them through. In today's yoga class for day 3, direction, let's begin. We're going to climb up onto our knees in a comfortable position. Hands and knees tabletop. Make sure the hips are above your knees, the hands, palms exactly underneath your shoulders. Hands and knees, the width is the same of your hips, the same of your shoulders. Inhale, we're going to drop the belly. The head looks up high in front of you. This is called cow pose. On the exhale, we tuck the chin inwards and we round the heart up to the sky. Imagine creating a mountain with the spinal column. The peak of the mountain being the shoulders. This is cat pose. As we inhale, we drop back into cow, drop the belly, the head is high. As you exhale, round it up into cat pose. Inhale, cow, drop belly, head high. Exhale, round it in. Return into a neutral spine. We're going to kick the right leg behind us. We're going to drop the heel flat onto the ground. The left leg opens up a little bit towards the side in a diagonal angle so we can provide more balance into the posture. We stack the hips. What do I mean? The right hip comes on top of the left. And then we extend the rib cage, side oblique muscles, and the right hand forward. We want a strong left hand. A nice deep breath, opening the side body, the rib cage finds more height. Excellent. Drop the right hand down. We're going to do the other side. So we're going to kick in or kick out the left leg, flatten the heel onto the ground, and remember, the right foot comes in at the diagonal angle. Right palm strong, extend the left hand forward. Deep breathing, lengthening, opening. Finding the arrows of direction and bringing them within us, directing them to point within us. Deep inhalation. Exhale, place the left hand down and we release. From here, we are on the knees, the hands are forward. We walk the hands gently, step by step, breaking down that mountain into increments, into steps, and then drop the forehead down. We want the hips here relatively above the knees. Breath is soft. Lift the head up in front of you and we exit out of this forward and up onto the knees. We're going to enter a downward facing dog. We hook the toes under behind us. We push forward with the hands. We lift the knees. We lift the hips. Remember creating a triangle. 3 points. Hands, feet, pelvis. Let's bend the knees. Let's move the pelvis like Elvis. Bring it forward, step by step, to the front of the mat. Flat back, hands on the knees. Lengthen the spine as you grow forward. Exhale, fold, plant or place both palms together as one. Press down on the heels. Inhale, rise. Exhale the hands to the side. We're going to step the right leg behind us on the yoga mat. We want the feet to be 90 degrees with each other. Right foot 90, left foot pointing forward. We're going to drop down on the left knee. Press strongly on the outside part of the foot so you can root and support yourselves in Warrior Two. Left leg, the left knee, don't drop the knee inwards. We want the knee stuck above the ankle. And if you look with your eyes down, you should be able to look at your second toe. The hands open wide, eyes forward, laser eyes, focused, pointing the arrows. And let's grab hold of a bow with the left hand. Nice, majestic, wooden, angelic bow. Right hand holds the arrow. We place it on the string. We pull the string in the direction of our desire and we let it go. Pull it in, inhale, steady, exhale, release the bow. One more, inhale, point, focused, present, alive, exhale, release it. Let's go ahead and step forward, nice and easy, and bring yourselves to the other side. Left leg, 90 degrees. Stuck the knees, look at the second toe. Right hand forward, left hand back. Warrior Two. Standing tall and proud, energized in the direction we choose to take. Grab hold of the bow with the right hand. Left hand installs the arrow. Pull the string, take a deep inhalation, steady aim. Exhale, release it. Install, pull, inhale. Exhale, release it. One more, inhale, steady aim. Your eyes laser, point on one area only. Exhale, release it. Bring both hands down towards the ground and step both feet back to plank. Drop the knees, drop the chest. Inhale, cobra, the buttocks are firm. Lengthen the chest forward and up. Exhale into downward facing dog. Breath is steady. Bend the knees, look forward. Drop the knees on the yoga mat. We're going to rotate our bodies to lay down on the mat. Closing off with our Shavasana. Can you believe 10 minutes are already done? Lay down, head gentle, hands forward. Releasing in your space of silence, in your stillness, gentle, easy breathing. Invite life back to the lungs and deepen your breath. Move the fingers, move the feet. Lift the hands over the head, stretch them long, stretch the body open. And then you bend the knees and you lay out to the side of the body in embryo pose. The head resting on the hands. You blink the eyes open. planting the hands in front of the face, energize and lift and rise to the direction of your life. Sitting up tall and cross-legged. One of my favorite books, Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. A conversation between Alice and the Cheshire Cat. Alice asks, "Would you tell me, please, which way I ought to go from here?" The cat replies, "That depends a good deal of where you want to go." And Alice says, "I don't much care where." And the cat replies, "Then it doesn't much matter which way you go." The direction in life, multiple arrows, multitude of arrows. We each pick the arrows that take us to the main central path in life, to our fulfillment, to our purpose. This is day 3 of our practice. In the description below, you'll find the ebook, 40 pages that are connected with this course, with this program. It's called Symphony of Well-Being. Click it, download it, read it. It will help you both on the yoga mat, but also in life. From my heart to yours, thank you for joining me. Namaste.